Hello everyone, welcome to day 195 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this shell lace stitch. So this stitch is crocheted on a multiple of 10 plus 3. To start off, I'm going to crochet 30 chains, a total of 33 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 3 turning chains. 1, 2, 3. Now into the fourth chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the fourth one, you're going to make 1 single crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, skip 2, and into the third one you're again going to make 1 single crochet. So chain 3, skip 2, 1, 2, into the third one you're going to make 1 single crochet, and into the next 2 stitches also we are going to make single crochet stitches and 2, right? Now again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, again skip 2, 1, 2, into the next one make 1 single crochet, again chain 2, skip 1 chain, and into the next one make 1 single crochet. So this is like the setup row. Okay, so from here on our pattern repeat starts. You are again going to do the same thing. Chain 3, 3 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 2 and 1 single crochet. In between you have to skip a few stitches. Okay, so now again we are going to chain 3, skip 2, so that's 1 and 2. Into the next 3 stitches you're going to make 1 single crochet into each. That's 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now again chain 3, skip 2, 1, 2, 3, skip 2, into the third one 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 and 2, skip 1, and into the next one you're going to make 1 single crochet. Okay, again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2, into the next one 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3, again chain 3, skip 2, chain 2, skip 1 and 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Okay, so now this is the setup row. Okay, now you are going to chain. The whole stitch is done in either it is done in double crochet, triple crochet and double triple crochet. The first part of it is a half shell which starts with a double triple crochet. So you will need 6 chains plus 1 for the pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as turning chain and 1 more for the pattern. Now into this chain 1 space you're going to make, first you're going to make a double triple crochet. So yarn over once is double, yarn over twice is triple, yarn over thrice is double triple. So you're going to yarn over thrice and make 1 double triple crochet. Now we are going to make 2 triple crochets. 1 and 2 triple crochets. Now you are going to make 2 double crochets. So this counts as half a shell. So basically this is when once we get to the shell stitch pattern, you will understand this better. So we are starting off with half a shell. Now make 1 single crochet into the chain 3 space to anchor this half shell and chain 4, and then skip these 3 single crochets and make 1 single crochet here. Okay, again double crochet. Now we are going to start off with the full shell. So into this chain 1 space right here. Okay, so this is the chain 1 space. So this into this chain 1 space, I'm going to give you the pattern for the full shell. So from and when now on, this is going to be 1 shell block. So basically you're going to do 2 double crochets, 2 triple crochets, 1 double triple crochet, chain 2, and repeat this in reverse. 1 triple crochet, 1 double triple crochet, 1 triple crochet, sorry, 2 triple crochets, and 2 double crochets. So that is 1 shell. 2 double crochets, 2 triple crochets, 1 double triple crochet, chain 2, 1 double triple crochet, 2 triple crochet, and 2 double crochets. So that is 1 full shell. Now again you are going to anchor that into this chain space here, chain 4. Okay, so anchor into this one, chain 4, and you're going to skip these 3 single crochets and go into the next space and make 1 single crochet. Again into the next chain 1 space, which is right here, you're going to make a full shell. That is 2 double crochets, 2 triple crochets, 1 double triple crochet, chain 2, 1 double triple crochet, the same thing in reverse. Two triple crochets, and 2 double crochets. So that is 1 full shell. Now again anchor it into the chain 3 space here, chain 4, and anchor it again on to this one. Now this row again ends with 1 shell stitch where you find the chain 1 space. We started, this is the turning chain that we did. So into the chain 3 that you started off, you're going to make 1 half shell. A half shell is 2 double crochets, okay, 1 2 triple crochets, and 1 double triple crochet. So we started off with a chain 6 plus 1 that counts as 1 triple crochet and a chain 1. So we are going to end with the same as well. chain 1, and you're going to make 1 double triple crochet on top of the first chain that we did right here. Okay, so that completes row 2. So row 2 is your first repeat row. Row 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the repeat rows. So this is repeat row number 1. Okay, so end of it should look something like this. Now again we are going for the setup row, which is you're going to chain 2, turn your work into this chain 1 space, make 1 single crochet, again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, into the chain 4 space you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet into the chain 4 space. So this is where you're going to place the next shell. Again chain 3 onto the 3 chain space, you're going to crochet 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, into this chain 4 space you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Now again chain 3, make 3 double crochets onto the chain 2 space, 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Into this space you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Okay, and into this space, this is the chain 7 from the previous row. So into this space you're going to again make 1 double crochet, chain 1, because it is a half shell. Sorry, into that space you'll be making 2 single crochets. Okay, just 2 single crochets. So this is repeat row number 2 or the third row. Now again we are going to start off with 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to I missed a chain 3 here. So after the 2 double crochets, you have to again make a chain 3 and then make 2 single crochets into the chain 1 space here. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn your work into the chain 3 space. You're going to make 1 single crochet, and into this V stitch you're going to make a full shell, that is 2 double crochets, 2 triple crochets, one double triple crochet, chain 2 and repeat the same thing in reverse, 1 double triple crochet, one triple crochet, sorry, 2 triple crochets, 2 double crochets, and now you have to anchor your stitch into the chain 3 space here. Again chain 4 and skip these 3 chains here. Again you're going to make 1 single crochet here and 1 full shell here. So again a full shell stitch is 2 double crochets, 2 triple crochets, 1 double triple crochet, 2 chains, 1 double triple crochet, 2 triple crochets, 2 double crochet, and then anchor it into this chain space here. Again 4 chains, skip these 3 single crochets on top of the shell and 1 single crochet onto the next one. Again make 1 full shell, which is 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochets, 1 double triple crochet, chain 2, 1 double triple crochet, 1 triple crochet, 2 triple crochets, and 2 double crochets. And now again anchor it into this single crochet here and chain 2 and make 1 single crochet on top of the second chain right here. Okay, so that completes row number 4. Now for row number 5, we are going to start off with a V-stitch, that is chain 4 and 1 double crochet all into the last stitch that we just made. And you're going to chain 3, make 3 single crochets onto the chain 2 space, which is very similar to row 3, except that we are starting off with a half shell. Again chain 3, and on top of the chain 4 we are creating the V-stitch for the next shell, that is 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Again chain 3, 3 single crochets on top of the shells. Again a V-stitch, 3 chains and a V-stitch on top of the chain 4 space. Again chain 3 and 3 single crochet into the shells. Again chain 3 and your work ends with a V-stitch on top of the third chain that we made. 1 2 3, on top of the third chain we are making a V-stitch, and that completes row number 5. So from here on you're just going to repeat row 2 3 4 and 5 over and over again till you reach the length that you want. So basically what we have done is we have created a half shell row Just like any other shell stitch, interlaced shell stitch stitches, this is also the same thing. We have a half shell row, we have a full shell setup row, we have a full shell row, and we have a half shell setup row. So again, once the half shell setup row is done, you do a half shell. So you can, in the swatch, you can see it more clearly because it's multicolor. So half shell, full shell setup, full shell, okay, half shell, full shell setup, full shell, half shell setup, half shell. So this is the repeat row. So you can go back to the video, repeat row 2, 3, 4 and 5 over and over again till you reach the length that you want. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, you can reach us out on our Instagram DM, or you can leave it in the comment section below. We'll definitely get to it. And if you make anything out of this particular stitch, do tag us on our Instagram page. We would love to see. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.